Welcome to the VAT19 Test Lab.
Welcome to the VAT19 Test Lab.
Welcome to the VAT19 Test Lab.
Today we're going to compare and contrast Magnetic Putty,
Liquid Glass Putty,
Super Illusions Putty, and Heat Sensitive Putty.
They're all crazy in their own ways, so let's get into it.
Okay, so I have the gold magnetic putty.
jealous. Yours is so much bigger.
There's like a general shiny, kind of a matte shininess to it, but then if you look really closely, there's a lot of little tiny sparkly flakes in it.
I think that's the magnetic particles.
Those might be the magnetic particles.
Common misconception, people think that the putty's magnetic, but it's not. The magnet's magnetic, and this just has metal in it.
Liquid Glass Putty.
Where is it?
Where'd it go?
This looks empty.
I'm right next to it, and it just looks like you have nothing in there.
Ooh.
Immediately when I touch it, it leaves my fingerprints.
Yours is still pretty clear.
Yeah, I kind of kept it mostly
And mine
clear.
is-
Very cloudy, played with, yeah.
Yeah.
So we have different ones
We
here.
do. I've got super lava.
Super scarab.
It's like purple from this angle, and then over the top of it, it's like blue. It's kind of like a fish.
Colors!
There is a clearness if you
Oh, yeah.
stretch it thin, it gets clear.
It's like a window.
Heat sensitive putty.
Interesting.
This one has a very different look. It looks more like a food.
You think it tastes like a...
That had a sound. That had a sound to that bite.
That was awesome.
Does it taste awesome?
No, it tastes like nothing.
Right.
Once you get used to the tins, these
I
look
know.
itty bitty. I want more, please.
Kind of sad.
Weird that it kind of reminds me of a Band-Aid.
It just looks like chewed bubble gum, like you'd find under
Yeah.
like a Subway seat.
Ew, maybe that's what it is.
This one has some grain to it.
It's like stiff, but once you get it going, it's not super stiff. It's not like the silly putty where you're just like.
This is easy to make small things probably, but if it gets too narrow, you can see.
It's a pretty good Jamie/pig I made.
Thanks. I'm gonna
Really
do an
holds.
Eric.
Okay. Good luck capturing this. That's pretty good, actually.
I feel like this one's stickier.
It's definitely stickier.
I would say this is probably, hypothesis, this is the worst one to sculpt.
So here, Snowman, we're losing steam pretty quick.
Yeah, oh yeah.
He's having a rough day.
He does not stay together.
You've had a lot of experience with it.
Yeah, we've got some swim trunks somewhere around here with this just all in it.
Loaded.
Let's get fidgeting.
Let's get our fidget fingers out.
Feels
It's
good,
a bit
though,
easier to stretch than the magnetic.
It's similar to the liquid glass.
Yeah, it's similar to liquid glass, but it's a little bit more dense.
When you do make a sculpture, it kind of shrinks back.
Oh, yeah.
I tried to pull an arm out here. It just goes straight back. Look at that.
Wouldn't really hold its shape very well in a sculpture.
Oh, this is the thick guy. Oh.
I need to buy a fancy resistance band.
Yeah, we can hopscotch with this thing.
This one almost feels like the most kind of plasticky.
Jamie's in the kitchen making pumpkin pie.
Now that is just like standing there. Like,
That's not gonna move.
That's just like rock solid.
all right, silly putty, let's fidget.
Let's fidget with it.
How many eggs do you think you would need to like equal
Oh.
110?
Maybe like 10
At
or
least,
more?
yeah.
If you start stretching too quickly, I just
Yeah, I can't get a good stretch going.
I think this would sculpt well though, because it's rock solid.
Like you'd
It's-
have tiny
kinda
miniature
granite already.
sculptures.
See my little snowman?
Ah.
This is the play test where we bounce it, stretch it, tear it.
Oh.
You know?
I'm gonna kind of like set the baseline for the rest of the putties for me, at least. I'm gonna drop it about a foot from the table,
Okay.
maybe about 5-6 inches.
Oh!
One of my favorite things to do is make a little pocket of air, a little bubble, and pop it.
Oh,
Pop!
there it is.
Same
Yeah.
time. That was cute.
That's nice.
Tear it.
I think you didn't make it thin enough to tear. There you go.
We popped it, we teared it.
We got to magnet it.
If you leave a magnet on the putty for long enough, all the metal flakes gravitate towards it.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, little one.
It's like a little pet.
Oh, this one's gonna bounce.
That's not gonna bounce.
No?
No.
Dude, it's got some jiggle.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you're right.
So ripping it, it isn't like a clean break like the other putties, but it is still satisfying.
Yeah, I got a bubble going. Ooh, yeah, I got a little pop there.
Okay.
Would that not be the greatest snot ever?
Super illusions.
Super Illusions.
Okay.
Oh!
Pretty good bounce.
Oh!
See, it's like all purple and blue on the outside.
But then you rip it.
Like not shiny at all in the tear for some reason.
Oh, injury.
Gotta do the old bubble test. I think this one's gonna be really good.
Yeah, I can kind of hear it crackling.
I know,
just from
yeah,
me
it's
moving
tiny little.
it.
Oh, there it is.
So another cool thing about this putty, when you twist it, it wants to twist back.
Yeah.
My favorite thing though with this putty is to roll it out into like a cinnamon roll shape. Since it's unwinding, it's getting tight and it has nowhere to go, so it goes up.
And look,
I see it.
it's already, yeah.
Once again, I'm just thrown off by how hard it is.
This one's more rigid.
Oh, that's got a good snap when
That
you get
sounded
it.
like a good snap.
I'll work on popping it. You work on ripping it. Okay. Ooh, that had a good pop on it.
Tear it. Ooh.
It's
I
like
think that means
taffy.
it'll bounce really well, don't you?
Yeah,
yeah.
that makes it past halfway, so it beats out magnetic.
Oh.
It's gone.
So I just so happen to have.
That changed really fast. Watch this.
Yeah, look at the difference.
Look at that.
Oh, sorry. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. That's satisfying.
That's the good stuff.
Silly Putty playtest.
Oh, it's a good bounce.
Good bounce.
Classic.
I'd say it's about as good as the magnetic.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got an excellent snap.
Silly Putty, man.
Can you pop it?
Ooh.
It's small, so it's harder to.
It's harder to get that bubble in there because it's so small.
You gotta be careful though, because if you lose it, it might just fall on your skin and you'll never see it again.
Are we taking naps now? Is that what's going on? Are we sleeping?
Yeah.
So I think we just reach out, grab a putty.
Okay. I think I have the liquid glass.
That's your liquid glass. Oh, not even a question.
Yeah, that's liquid glass. All right.
Okay, I think this is magnetic. Yeah, it's got a
magnetic.
little slight grittiness to
Got
it.
a little bit of like some
think.
grain.
I forgot we had.
I
a
think
silly
this one's
putty.
Silly Putty here.
Yeah.
And this one still is fairly liquid glassy, but it's not as liquid glassy as liquid glass. So I'm saying this
Super Illusions.
Super Illusions. Also,
Let me
Super
see.
Illusions had some snap to it, but it felt liquid glassy.
That's true. Let's see if I can see through it. Psych.
Wait, we said liquid glass, something.
Liquid glass, magnetic, Silly Putty, Super Illusions.
Heat change.
You got the heat change?
It's either super.
I think that's magnetic.
Okay, go.
That's magnetic.
Sure.
Okay, so glass, illusions, Silly Putty, heat change, magnetic.
Boom!
Yeah! 100%.
Oh, my eyes were adjusting to the brightness.
We got it.
Did we get it right?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's correct.
Nice.
Nice.
Got it.
Good job, guys.
Adam Huber.
Shop the full collection of VAT19 Thinking Putty and find hundreds more curiously awesome gifts at VAT19.com.
VAT19.com.